I'm here at Deer Lake, and there's or not Deer Lake, Deer Creek, and there's a whole bunch of, there's a big school in front of me, right over by that tree. You cast right underneath of it and catch one. Here's empty. I've been catching them all day. I have no salmon eggs left. So, here it goes. There's nothing. I have to go get night crawlers in a minute, but here we go. Cast right underneath the tree, and they're all sitting right there. See if I can get one for you guys. Okay, didn't get a hit on that one. Cast right back because the eggs drift down. Okay, so see if I can get one here. Oh, I got a hit. See if I can hook him. Oh, come on. Got him. Did you take the fish? This one's not very big, but the ones that I've been catching earlier are pretty darn big, so I'm going to pull him over here. Whoa. He's fighting big, but not very big. This one's an okay size. I mean, swallowed the hook though again. God damn it. Yep, he's bleeding. I'm gonna have to cut the line. Gosh. Okay. Hey. I didn't take the fish back. There he goes. Oh. Hope you enjoyed. I'm probably gonna catch some more fish later. But see you guys later.